Next speaker is the Honourable Sali.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Assalamu alaikum. Freedom Day, the commemoration of this day should not be passed without honouring the brave heroes and heroines who sacrificed their lives for an end to colonialism, apartheid, and for social and economic justice. Today, our Constitution affords all South Africans the right to vote and enjoy all manners of rights on paper. Yet we are aware of our failures to improve the lives of the dispossessed and oppressed masses. We cannot say we are free when vast majority of the masses are still living in abject poverty, unemployed, homeless, evictions from farms and homes continue unabated, and crime, substance abuse, gangsterism subjected to horrendous medical care. The liberation struggle was against colonialism, yet today we continue to struggle for the return of our land, wealth, and the restoration of our rights and dignity as victims of an oppressive system. The deal negotiated with the Apartheid National Party is undermining the dispossessed masses' right to their stolen land. They still have no dignity and confined to squatter camps without basic services such as water, toilets, electricity, and roads. Our people live in shacks that are prone to destruction by floods and fires, and we're still subjected to the dehumanizing bucket system. 31 years, we are sitting with overflowing classroom. Youth unemployment is hovering around 70%. Our people left depending on the meager social grants for survival. Freedom cannot be claimed while corruption and lack of accountability continues to cripple the people of our country. We have reactionary groups such as the DA and their racist cohorts who are working against bills to rectify policies to work in the interest of the poor and working class. Al-Jamaa reiterates what President Nelson Mandela said: our freedom is incomplete without the freedom of the Palestinians. And he further described the Israeli government as a terrorist state. The treacherous visit by the members of parliament who visited the terrorist and apartheid entity is guilty of genocide of Palestinians must be investigated. This alleged fact-finding trip is a direct affront to South Africa's commitment to justice for Palestinians. It is shocking that these MPs come from marginalized groups who are seeking return of their own land and resources. The colonialists robbed them of right in South Africa. They too have suffered mass murders, but sadly today, they've closed their eyes to the suffering and genocide of the indigenous people of Palestine and support the colonizers. And what hypocrisy. We call on government to act swiftly in guarding against forces infiltrating the country, targeting our freedom with an imperialist agenda, and to investigate the DA for its aspirations to colonize the Western Cape, to bring back the old apartheid and Zionist system. I thank you.